Hi, it's Willie Jamming, and in this video, we're going to talk about more about bottoms. So, bottom most of the time is not going to be used alone. Sometimes, so previously we talked about how to use bottom to submit, to rename, and today we're going to talk about how to use bottom to edit. So, edit, and we can edit, say, multiple objects using button. Okay, so yeah, let's get to it. Let's just go next. Other function of button, and yeah, let's just try it because it's technically it's other function of button. Okay, so normally we were dealing with some scenario like this. So we got like a bunch of things that we want to edit, want to submit, right? And then you later change your mind. You don't want to do that, so you want to change the original edit, like a list or array, and you want to use a button. Click that. You want to change it. So first, we got to add some like a dummy container for our data, right? Because we're going to show multiple things. So state private container of say books. I think nowadays, like kids nowadays do not read books now. It's always like watch like YouTube or TikTok. Just yeah, I think it's pointless all this short video. Okay, let's add some books. The books say Python. Books about say Swift. Right now we got like a SwiftUI. SwiftUI. I'm not sure. Java, something like that. Kotlin. Yeah, C, C++, yeah, C sharp, C, something like that. Yeah. Okay, that's enough for array. Of course, you can add all the programming language and all the framework you want. Okay, and we got a while body, and instead of this, just got a list. Nice container. Loop it for each of the books. Got the ID of self. Come on, give me something. Yeah, the original. Doesn't really matter. Okay. For each, so you're going to loop it for every book in. Okay, here's your loop. Every book in, and we got the you can add a tab. Okay, so nice and easy. So text book. Okay, and dots. You have a say list row backgrounds, and you can add a specific color. Okay, let me just add a gray. Of course, you can change opacity to I'm not sure 0.6, something like that. Yeah, and it'll be like yeah. Let me add some sort of like training, low hanging, something like that. Might be good. Okay, so for each over, and you can say on delete. So if you delete it, you're going to perform a remove. So execute on delete, just to execute code from books and then to remove it. And of course, we're going to remove at, this is just index problem, at offset $0. Okay, so successfully remove it, and of course you can move it, so unmove, and you don't need to do that. You can just say all the books dot move, and from offset to a specific offset, right? From to offset, and just one will suffice. Okay, and yeah, this should be a curly bracket. Here's curly as well, and yeah, and then you can say a list style is a automatically inside sidebar. Yeah, let's just make it automatic. Of course, you can add a specific frame, minimum width or minimum height. Okay, minimum width be like 100. Minimum height will be like 100. Okay, here comes to the main part, because we're going to add a button, right? So that's all this will be controlled by a specific add button. You can add a button style of a specific style. Okay, I believe we can have like a borderless style. Fine, maybe available in the context. Yeah, it's available. Right, edit button, click it, and you can edit. Right, first you can move the position. Okay, you can click and drag and move the position. Second, you can click to delete it. Click, delete. All right, it's pretty cool, right? And click, drag, move it. Yeah, pretty good. Yeah, you can tell.